Don't wear your socks out in the rain. Last thing my father said to me. We had a lot more things to say. I got, don't wear your socks out in the rain. He had years left on this earth. Mom's guiding hand long laid to rest. I never judged him for his pain, so don't wear your socks out in the rain. Broken, not trying to be intentionally cruel. Describes me to thine own self be true. Don't make amends if that's not you.